He's just filming someone on the motorway. He's on the motorway. He's just on the motorway, he's alright. Let's follow him, Berks. Let's follow him. We don't get out, let's follow him. We're just filming a...
I do want to see him.
Well, let's swim, Berks.
Shake it, come up, please!
What are you doing? You're not allowed. You're not... Yeah, you're allowed on here. M6, yeah.
This is the motorway, this.
Going Manchester.
Yeah, keep going
Manchester.
straight on.
Come on.
Keep going straight on. It's the motorway. It doesn't...
Manchester.
Yeah, you're all right. Keep going. Go as fast as you can.
Get in the third lane if you can. Fucking, this is mint, this.
Unbelievable.
I was just saying to Bergs, there's got to be more to life than this. And this pops up. This is fucking mint. We're on the M56 coming off at Wivenshaw. Fucking mint.